Hello everyone! Today we'll be unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for September 2020. So let's begin. Okay. So for the Glam Bag Plus, you get to choose 3 items out of your 5. They choose 2. And the first item here I see is this Star Skin face mask set. There's 2 in here. Let's see. Okay. So this first one is a peeling mask. It's a foaming peeling puff. Yeah. Glow Star mask. And this other one is a firming mask. Close-up firming biocellulose face mask. Okay, and it's 72% coconut. Interesting. Okay, so they don't, Ipsy doesn't put the cards with the price for the products in the box anymore. So I went to their app. They have an app, Ipsy app. And on there, it said that this product together retails for $17.25. Okay. Let's go on to the next product. And they changed their backs too to be like this as well. So the first product I see in the bag is this hair mist. It's a coconut milk hair mist from Soapbox, and it's to add hydration and shine to the hair, and it is vegan. And this product, they said, retails for $12.99. The next product in the bag is this Wonder Beauty liquid eyeliner in Runway. It's a black eyeliner. And this retails for $22. I really like their mascara as well, so pretty sure this will be good too. Okay. The next product in the bag is this Fancy Face Nourishing Oil Cleanser from Go-To Skincare. And this retails for $34. So, let's see what it looks like. Okay. Oh, okay. So it says here they've included a muslin cloth for your oil cleansy way. Okay, that's cute. So this is the cleanser. It comes with this pump. And this is cute how they wrapped it. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, and now there is one last product in the bag, and it is, well, there's a card in there too. Good vibes for September, that's the theme. Okay, so the last product is the Bite Your Kiss nail polish from Smith and Colt, and this retails for $18. Let's see. It is this plum shade, kind of like the bag in a way. Okay. So yeah, it's kind of like the back, a little darker, a little bit more purple. Let's see. Has this tape on it. Okay. Then this heavy top. Okay. Let's try to open this. This is what it looks like. Let's see. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's a lot more purple than I thought. The bag is has more red in it. More burgundy. This one's has a little bit more purple to it. Yeah. Yeah, you can see the purple more now. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this unbagging. This was the last item in the bag. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!